Welcome creatives, Miss Nikki here from Studio CIA. And in this video, I'm going to help you find the beauty in bugs. Stay tuned to find out how. We're going to draw our very own beetle, you guys, and you get to make it your very own. So we're going to start with a body shape. Choose any shape you want. I'm going to do a U shape. If you're not sure what to do, just follow along with me and then do a second one after the fact, and you will find the perfect bug in the end. We're going to divide the wings up. This is the beetle. I'll have kind of a bump, goes around. Now, these are the wings, but they're attached to the body that's kind of underneath here. So I need to add the body where it's attached and a little bit showing through. Now we need to choose the head shape. Again, get creative, have fun with it. Give it a face. Now remember, their little mouth is like a pincher. So we're just going to have like a little V shape up there. I give it cute eyes, but I suppose you don't have to. But we're finding the beauty in bugs. So if you want to find the warrior in bugs or the chaos in bugs, try something different. Or try to make a bug that's themed after something. A sports bug where everything is referenced to a different shape of equipment. All right, next we're ready to add the legs. Bugs' legs are segmented, so we're going to choose 1 to 3 shapes to create those legs and put 6 of them on. I'm starting with triangle shapes. They're long and pointy, but tall. Try to position them about across from each other. And then we want to add another shape or 2 in the segment. Maybe I'm going to do a circle. Bugs can really become an artistic masterpiece because they have so many little details that you can exaggerate on. This leg to be going this way. And each one of these shapes will bend. Each one of those is a joint. So if you need to turn your leg so it's going downward, you can do that. All right, and the last step is to add the little toe or fin piece at the end. The little crawlies that you feel on your skin when there's a bug on you. We can add some kind of detail here at the back of the head. Some kind of marking just to kind of separate it again. A lot of bugs have different markings there. We want to maybe add some lines here to show that these little wings open up. You could add multiple or just a few. It's really up to you. Some kind of pattern on its back and maybe even up here. I'm going to do a drippy pattern. I think it would be cool, the color. The last step to making it look like a real bug is to add the antennae. The antennae can just be one long skinny piece, but it could also be made up of multiple. I did drippy up there. Let me do spiral orbs down here. If you've ever taken any of my classes, I'm sure you've done an orb drawing. I'm obsessed with them. But again, it's basically a glorified polka dot. So continue into the next video to see what my orb technique is. All right, so this is where I'm starting. Come over to part 2 and see how I take this up even more. And be sure to share your drawing and hashtag Studio CIA in that post so we get to see the bugs you've created. I'll see you in part 2.